Students, welcome to Professor Hameed's Vlogs again. Right now, what we are going to discuss about is resistors connected in series, right? So, we already have discussed about resistors connected in parallel yesterday, right? So, right now we are having the resistors connected in series. So, let me get into this lecture directly. Here, we have got three resistors, right? Resistor R1, okay, resistor R1 and resistor R2 and resistor R3, which is connected in a series circuit. The circuit has got an output voltage, right? Voltage source, right? Overall output voltage source, right? Overall input voltage source, right? So this circuit is activated by means of this voltage source, right? So the current which is flowing through the circuit is I. Consider the current flowing through the circuit is I. So I is the current flowing through the circuit. Okay, I is the current flowing through the circuit across R1, R2 and R3. Here we have got V1, V2 and V3. That it means what it means? It is nothing but V1 voltage which is crossing across R1. Voltage which is crossing across R2 is V2. Voltage which is crossing across R3 is V3. So this is what you have to understand. So what you understand? What did you understand? It is nothing but voltage which is crossing the circuit, which is moving across the circuit is differing. Here the current which is moving across the circuit is not differing, but the voltage which is crossing across R1 is not the same as the voltage which is crossing across R2 and R3, right? So this is what the thing that you have to understand. So with this what you have to take is we can get into a direct equation. I will show you. So this is what the equation here. This is what the equation. So it's better you can by heart this equation so that you can able to write the resistors connected in series very easily. So this is what the base equation, V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So we already known that V is equal to IR. This is what the Ohm's equation, right? Ohm's law, right? So V is equal to IR means V is equal to IR. So this is what the equivalent resistance connected in series. So IRS, that is equal to V1 is equal to IR1 and V2 is equal to IR2 and V3 is equal to IR3. IR2 and V3 is equal to IR3. So overall we are having this equation, and finally you have to take out I as a common term from left hand side and right hand side of this equation. Finally what will you get? You can cancel I term, okay? I. So finally what will you get? I term, okay? You have cancelled I term and you will be getting RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Suppose I am giving you a problem. So I am giving you three resistances. One is 10 ohm and the other one is 20 ohm and the other one is 30 ohm. Wait a minute. I will show you. Suppose there is a chance of problem, right? So I am giving three resistances, right? One is 10 ohm, another one is 20 ohm, another one is 30 ohm, which is connected across a voltage supply of 30 volt, right? Voltage supply 30 volt, right? So these resistors are connected in series. So what will be the equivalent resistance connected in series? Like that the question was asked, right? So what you have to do? You have to make use of this equation very easily. You have to make use of this equation. So RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So if you put this R1 as 10, R2 as 20, R3 as 30, you will be getting around 60. This is what RS, and this will be represented in ohm. So this is what the things available there in resistors connected in series. So thank you all for watching Professor Hameed's vlogs, and thank you for your support. So in future more and more videos related to class 12th CBSE and metric will be published in Professor Hameed Vlogs. So keep watching and subscribe Professor Hameed Vlogs for future updates. Thank you.